The Center for Design is a design and fabrication resource available for any Hampshire community member, faculty, staff, students to do anything they would like to do.
We've had students who fabricate their own cameras and their own photo developing systems.
We're used a lot by sculpture students.
We had somebody who made 3 banjos.
Outdoors program equipment made.
We've had broom makers here, and leather workers, and armor makers. Really, any material that you would like to work with, we can figure out a way to help you.
If I'm being very honest, Glenn would be my favorite professor, except he's not a professor. But I have such a good relationship with him, and I feel like I can always ask him for help in the Center for Design.
There are courses taught here in applied design.
There are so many clubs that take place in the Center for Design. We have the blacksmithing club.
Glass collective.
We've had a jewelry collective. We have a history in working in assistive technology. There's so much underserved need and very much need for customization for individuals, and students working directly with a client and collaborating with them on something is just, a great experience overall.
We interviewed a woman from Biki in the Congo who helped us identify the really specific challenges there were for carrying water in her specific village. We gave bikes rear racks to allow them to carry water that we were then able to ship back to her village.
I feel like the Center for Design opened a lot of doors in terms of what I can do, what I can make.
So I am primarily a designer. I work on exhibits for a variety of museums.
What I've been up to since graduation is creating commercial and residential metalwork. So doing hair salons, doing restaurants, doing their signs.
A lot of college experience is so much about writing papers and being theoretical. Center for Design is where you go to walk away with a tangible manifestation of your idea.